The Trump administration's coronavirus task force held another briefing today. They talked about making test kits more available and affordable for all Americans. News 8's Jacqueline Francis talked to a local health expert about what more testing will mean for potential cases in Michigan. Jacqueline?
Sue, at first, the CDC had to give the go-ahead before a patient could be tested for coronavirus, but now that's all starting to change. And as the rules become more lax, we may begin to see more cases confirmed. From Wuhan to Washington to West Michigan, the conversation about preventing and testing for the coronavirus continues. Vice President Mike Pence talked about his plans for increasing the availability of test kits during a press conference this afternoon.
Our objective ultimately, and as quickly as possible, is to have tests made through these commercial laboratories and commercial providers that your local doctor, your CVS, your MedCheck, is able to have a coronavirus test. And that isn't there yet. We're working to make that a reality.
In the meantime, Spectrum Health's infectious disease division chief is here to calm some of the panic.
Right now, spread is extremely limited. There haven't been any cases in the state of Michigan at all, and I think the overall risk to individuals and the general public is extremely low.
While acknowledging the increase in testing will likely lead to a spike in the number of cases confirmed.
They're running more tests and they're finding more people who have infections. And so there may be people who have had low-level infections here that have yet to be tested or diagnosed. And we'll probably begin to pick up some of those cases as we increase the number of testing.
But still, he says there's no cause for alarm, as 80% of coronavirus cases are mild, requiring little to no medical intervention. But for those who are at risk of developing more severe symptoms, the increased testing can help health professionals track and contain the virus.
It certainly appears that there's a greater effort to increase the number of tests to make sure that we're not seeing this virus circulating in the community.
If you think you may be experiencing symptoms of coronavirus, healthcare professionals say to call first and not just show up at the hospital, as that could increase the chances of contaminating others. Reporting in studio, Jacqueline Francis, News 8.